In a land where the sky and earth were so close, a magnificent crane graced the horizon. Known as the sky's ambassador, this bird was revered for its ability to soar to the heavens and touch the clouds. One day, the crane noticed a sickly tree, its branches bare and lifeless. It felt a profound sense of responsibility to revive the tree, for it was an integral part of the land. The crane began to sing, a melody as old as time itself, a melody that resonated with the earth's core. But the tree remained still, its lifeless branches unmoved. The crane, undeterred, decided to share its gifts with the tree. It plucked a feather from its wing, a feather that shimmered with the light of the sun, and placed it on the tree's roots. The feather began to glow, bathing the tree in a warm, golden light. The tree stirred, its branches quivering, and slowly, leaves began to sprout. The crane watched in awe, realizing that its gifts were not just for flight, but also for life. It understood that it had the power to bring growth and vitality, not just to itself, but to the world around it. The crane continued to visit the tree, singing and sharing its feathers, watching as it grew stronger and more vibrant. The tree, in turn, grew taller, its branches reaching towards the sky, serving as a beacon of hope for all who saw it. The people of the land marveled at the crane's deeds, seeing in it the symbol of selflessness and love. They realized that each of them had gifts to share, gifts that could bring life and hope to the world. And so, the crane continued its mission, visiting sickly trees and sharing its gifts, inspiring others to do the same. The land bloomed, and the people thrived, all because of the sky's ambassador and its selfless act of love. The crane, in its wisdom, understood that the greatest gift one could give was not something material, but the gift of life itself. And in giving, it found a purpose greater than itself, a purpose that transcended the sky and the earth.